Get it, Grandma.
You go, baby.
Go, Grandma. You do those ab crunches.
Yeah.
And I just don't think it's going to be as crazy.
Grandma, you want French fries?
Yeah.
You like French fries?
Yeah.
What kind of French fries do you like?
Every kind of fun fun.
You want a haircut? You need it really wet.
No, Nancy, it's wet enough.
Wet it more.
No, mother.
Come on, you two. What?
He's ready.